Liver and bacon. Buy half a pound of calf's liver and half a pound of bacon. Cut the liver in thin slices and pour boiling water over it, and then wipe each slice dry. Slice the bacon very thin and cut off the rind. Put this in a hot frying pan and cook very quickly, turning it once or twice. Just as soon as it is brown, take it out and lay it on brown paper in the oven in a pan. Take a saucer of flour and mix in it a teaspoonful of salt and a very little pepper. Dip the slices of liver in this one at a time and shake them free of lumps. Lay them in the hot fat of the bacon in the pan and fry till brown. Have a hot platter ready and lay the slices of liver in a nice row on it, and then put one slice of bacon on each slice of liver. Put parsley all around, and sometimes use slices of lemon too, for a change.